Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, January 23rd. The essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo that I'm going to read for you today is titled The Power of Symbols. If you truly hold a stone, you can feel a mountain it came from. A caveman picking berries was once cornered by a wild and now extinct creature. And when he was spared by the sudden snap of a tree limb that scared the beast off, he took a piece of the fallen bough as a good luck charm. And so the story of symbols began. People have always saved scraps of their experience to help remind them of their forces of life that cannot always be seen. Filled with the timeless rhythm of the ocean, we pocket a shell and carry it thousands of miles to know that presence when we are hours from the sea. It is why we treasure certain songs, why we save ticket stubs and dried out flowers. Symbols are living mirrors of the deepest understanding that have no words. I know of two friends who made it through Vietnam. They were rehabilitated in Italy, and before coming home, they split a copper lyre, each holding dear the other's half, as if it were the break of heart forever left in that God-forsaken jungle. We ask the smallest items of everyday life to carry unbearable meaning for us, and the dearest ones work like Aladdin's lamp. All we have to do is rub them slowly, and feelings and times long gone come and live again, or basic truths hard to keep in view return. As a boy, I remember visiting my grandfather's house. He had a milk-white bowl filled with M&Ms. It was a simple, magical treasure for me. No matter how often I reached on tiptoe, it never emptied. It has been 30 years since he died, and now when depressed, I hold that milk-white bowl in my lap and eat a few M&Ms. And I feel better. This isn't illusion or escapism, but rather using the milk-white bowl filled with M&Ms as a living symbol that can call into my moment of sadness a deeper sense of plenitude and generosity that is always there, but not always accessible. And this is the proper use of symbols, not to coldly represent ideas, but to call into being all that lives in us and about us. Symbols help us bear witness to the painful mystery of living. And whether a crucifix, a small weeping Buddha, or a broken shell from a long-forgotten sea, they help us bear the days. Now take a comfortable seat and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be soft and easy, completely natural. See if you can find some spaciousness in your breathing, a sense of freedom, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a few moments to recall some special moment in growing up, and reflect on the feeling of that moment until the scene comes into your view. Slowly let yourself feel your way about the special moment and focus on one detail, a certain chair, or smell of lilac, or a rainy piece of glass. Once you find this one important detail of that special moment, with reverence, lift it up as a living symbol of all the special moment means to you. The next time you feel less than, the next time you feel saddened, bring yourself in contact with this very personal symbol and let it open you to gifts you don't always remember. Now place your hands on your heart and thank yourself for this deep, powerful work you've just done. With gratitude, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as usual, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection down the memory lane. What are the symbols of those special moments for you? Of course, if you're inspired to do so, please share your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday, Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday from Cozumel. Have a wonderful day.